Hi guys, this is Group 4 and this is
Rosie Diaz.
I'm Sylvia Medrano.
I'm Stephanie Reynoso.
I'm Denise Guevara.
And today we are going to talk to you guys about neuroplasticity, which basically is the incredible flexible brain. Now, just history here on neuroplasticity. It was once thought to be restricted to the developmental period, which was basically it only happened when you were younger. And now mature brains, or before mature brains were considered to be set in their own ways and capable of substantial reorganization. So meaning that once your brain reached the mature portion, it was believed that nothing could happen with your brain, that your brain couldn't organize any information or adapt to any new situation. So now, thanks to the accumulation of evidence, it has been made clear that mature brains are also continually changing and adapting to a new environment or new information. Now, I have Rosie here who has a study on the range of cognitivity plasticity in old age and will fill us in important research that she found.
Okay, I found an interesting study. It was studied by the Max Planck Institute of the Human Development and Education. And basically what they did is they did a 15-year study that looked at how older adults have a reserve capacity to create new pathways. And at the time it was called well, they were basically saying it was modifying the neural paths, but now we know that that is a more modern term for plasticity. So what they looked at is older age actually has the capacity to create new neural pathways that can be changed by the environment. Not only can it be used in memory, but it can also aid in recovery of strokes, neuro brain trauma illnesses. So it's a pretty fascinating discovery, and there's ongoing research. We looked at not only one research study, but we continue to look a little bit deeper, and we noticed that they are indeed looking into how plasticity can affect not only drug intake, but experiences, diseases, even prenatal. Interesting fact was that they put a maternal mother into a complex environment, and it actually showed that it was setting up the child or the newborn to respond for later injury in a very effective way. So basically what it was doing is that it alters the brain even while in uterine to set up the child to be able to create pathways that are going to later on help them in perhaps if there are brain injuries or any kind of diseases, to help them recover at a different pace than if you wouldn't have that complex environment for the mother. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and show you some other information, and Denise will review the book.
Hello class, or teacher. So what I'm going to show you guys, it's a hippocampus of a rat. Alright, so right here, if you see, the top panel shows new cells in the dentate gyrus of the hippocampus. So the cell bodies are stained in blue, which is like the lines in the top and in the bottom. And the glial cells are stained green, which is in the middle. And then the new cells are stained red. I don't know if you can see them, but they're small little dots. But like in the bottom panel, shows new cells from the top panel under magnification. So the red cells are like right where the blue cells are at. So now Stephanie will close us with some interesting information.
Okay, so in conclusion, neuroplasticity, as Rosie explained with all the studies and the other data, is a general term that is the ability of the brain to change in different stages, and sometimes in early development, or as she explained, in everyday normal learning. So it's also in extreme cases in response to a stroke or disease. So I hope you guys found this information very informative and interesting. Bye.